How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to fix your rough idle or check engine light, and the video starts right now. So one of the cause for the rough idle or check engine light is a dirty map sensor. Map sensor is a mass airflow sensor that measures the quantity of air entering your engine, and it works with your car computer to optimize engine performance. So if this map sensor is dirty, it affects your fuel mileage and gives you poor performance, and also you will fail emission tests, and it also triggers check engine light. So in today's video I'll show you how to clean it. So this is where the map sensor is located in your BMW F series engine. So for this N55 engine, the map sensor is here. So we have to take out this map sensor, unclip this cable, unclip the connector, take out these two screws and pull it out, and then we're gonna clean it. So in this map sensor connector, instead of pressing the tab, I just lift it up with a pick tool. I lift up the tab here while pulling it out. Very easy. So we have these two T20 screw that we need to take out. So a T20 Torx bit. Make sure you don't drop the screw. It's gonna be hard to retrieve, so. And the rest you can just twist it with your finger to pull out the screw. Just like that. We have another screw here. Just like that. Two screws. Now we're gonna pull out the map sensor. Slowly you wiggle it until you pull it out. So this is the map sensor that we're gonna clean. So here we have the map sensor, and the cleaner we're gonna use is the CRC sensor clean. This is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. So we have to spray on this sensor here for like maybe 10 to 15 times. Make sure you clean all the holes here. And just let it dry. Have to let it dry maybe for like 15 minutes. Just make sure it's fully dry. Then we're gonna install it back in the car. So this cleaner is a fast drying, so I think 15 minutes is good enough. So after 15 minutes of drying, now it's time to put back the map sensor, and we'll just do it in the reverse order. Back inside. Press it in, wiggle it and press it in. Put back the two screws. Do it by hand first so you don't lose it. Then you can use the tool to tighten it. T20 screw, T20 Torx driver. So you have to torque them, tighten them one at a time. not too tight. You don't want to break the plastic. Just make it snug. That's it. Now it's time to clip back the connector. Just press it in. That's it. You're done. I hope cleaning your map sensor fixes your rough idle or check engine light. And it's also a good practice to clean the map sensor every time you change your air filter. So if you're into car mods, car DIY, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.